Hey, what's up? It's Mutai here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance tech and business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert .webp image to jpeg or png format on Windows 10. Stay tuned. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com. Before we continue, if you are new on this channel, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on jpeg.com to learn more on what I do and contact me. With that said, let's now get into today's video. Sometimes when you download an image from the internet for use in a video, it downloads in a .webp format. This format is not supported by most of the video editing softwares. This means that you cannot import the file to your video editor and use it unless you convert it to JPEG or PNG format that is supported by most of the video editing softwares. Good news is that on Windows 10, you can convert the image quickly to any format you want without downloading any software. To convert your image to JPEG, open your Photo with Photos app on Windows. On the preview window, to your far right, you will see three dots. Click on this to open this drop-down menu and select Save As. On the window that pops up, under the Save As type, select JPEG or PNG. When done selecting, click Save. And that is it. You have successfully converted your .webp image to JPEG or PNG format. When you go back to the folder that you saved the file, you will see the new file. And that is it on how to convert a WebP image to JPEG or PNG format on Windows without downloading any app. I hope you found this video helpful. Like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my website on jpeg.com to learn more about me. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Mutai. Follow me on X at jpeg. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.